Hi, this is Ms. Cox. Today we've talked already about style, and at this point you should have a basic style for your app in Conduit Mobile. Now let's look at content. Content is really what is going in the app. And in Conduit Mobile, this is made up of pages. Now there's lots of options here for different pages. There's more down here. A couple things I want to point out. First is this RSS feed. That's basically news. We'll talk about that more later, but that needs to be one of your choices. So no matter what your topic is, I want you to make sure you click on RSS feed. That should be one of your things, one of your pages. So you need to choose at least 5 things total. So 5 of these pages need to be made at least. You already have one. You have to have the RSS feed. The bad news about Facebook and Twitter, of course, is that they're blocked at school, so it's not really very helpful to have those. Instagram, though, is not. So think about your app. Think about what your app is all about. For mine, I thought, I want it to be about LA crafts. So I was thinking this RSS feed is going to be news or blog news, and we'll talk about that more in detail later. I might be able to put in something else. Let's see. I'm going to click on some different things. If I click on e-commerce, it looks like this is to add to an online store. Oh, I don't have an online store. To delete one of these pages, you just click on the red X and click remove. Now, let me try something else. You can also have audio. Hey, I would really like to have, let's see, there's SoundCloud, Beatport, Media RSS, or Custom. I know that I wanted to do podcasts and have podcast recordings, which is a Media RSS. We'll talk more about RSS in a little bit. For now, I'm going to leave all of this blank, and I'm going to pick another page. So I've got news, RSS feed, audio, which is going to be podcasting. Maybe I want an About Us page. I'll have some information about me. I could have a map to some different, I could have several different, let's see. Now it looks like it's only one location. But there's lots of other things we can add. I'm going to get rid of this map. Remove. You can add Instagram photos. All you have to do is have a username. For now, I'm just going to leave that as it is. So maybe I want some photos, some information about me, news, podcasts. I might want an email link. That would be an option. What else might be good for mine? I might want events is cool. You can actually have your own calendar. So you could have a calendar built into your app. You could have reviews. That's how I got my Yelp reviews in here. I clicked on the Yelp and I was able to put in those Yelp reviews. You can also use Open Table or City Search. There's a menu option. That's interesting. I don't know what these are. It must be for restaurants. Food order. That might be if you, these are restaurant specific. And I do want to point out this custom one. This custom option actually is what allows you to just type like you have a web page. So this is almost like a blog post or a web page. You could type whatever you want here and you can actually create links inside this page. And it's like you've created your own website, basically, or it's like a web page built into your app that you've created. So you could put anything there, which is pretty cool. It looks like you can even put images in there. Other than that, really, you need to pick 5 things that you might want to use. If you have no idea what to use, make sure you choose the RSS feed. One thing to consider is audio and video, because the fact is people like watching videos and people like listening to things. It's more interesting than only having reading options. So I would think about getting one of those 2. You might think about Instagram or another photo option. You might think about how you can connect it to the city, either with a map or with reviews or a calendar. You might also want a custom option. If you are planning on putting pictures in that are Creative Commons images, you need this custom option so you can cite who created the different images. that you are using. So keep that in mind. Creative Commons images or any images you're going to use, you need to make sure you list that. I'm done talking. So go ahead, play around with this. I'm going to get rid of some of these things that I added because I don't need all of them. But choose at least 5. You can have more if you want. And what you'll notice, one of the reasons to choose 5 is, oh, what happened to the way it looks? One of the reasons to choose 5 is that actually they will all appear, it's not showing up, but they'll all appear on the bottom of the screen if you have 5, if you like that style. If you have more than 5, they will not all show up. But if you choose one of the other layout options, it doesn't really matter. With that, go ahead, choose which pages you're going to add into your app. Remember, you don't have to actually work on editing or adding things to them. For now, just choose what kinds of pages you would like for your app. Thank you.